How to invite collaborators on Instagram post. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll show you how you can invite collaborators to your Instagram post and tag them in accordingly. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So the very first thing you simply want to do is to go ahead and then open up the Instagram application. Make sure to log into your account. Now first, make sure your account is public and make sure that you have a business account and not a simple account. So in order to be able to collaborate on Instagram, you want to make sure that you have a professional account. So once you made all of these changes, what you need to do is to simply tap on the plus icon from the bottom and then choose a photo on which you want to invite the collaborators. So in this case, I'll just select a random photo or video, let's say for the context of this. Now once I select a specific photo or video that I want to add, I'll just tap on the arrow icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and again I will tap on the arrow icon button again. Now once you're on the description page over here, which is right this page, what you want to do is, in order to invite collaborators, you have to tap on the button that says tag people, which is at the very top. And once you do that, you can add a tag, but we're not going to do that. We're going to invite collaborator by tapping on invite collaborator option. Now keep in mind that in your case this option could be missing if you have a private account, if you have not switched to public, and if you have not switched to professional account. You want to make sure to keep all of those changes and just tap on invite collaborator option. As you do that, you simply want to go ahead and simply enter the name of the collaborator and then just tag them accordingly right over here, and tap on the check mark from the top right hand side. Now you can add a caption if you want to, or you can just go ahead and post blank, finish it as such. And as you do that, you have successfully invite collaborators on your Instagram post. And that's all it takes to invite collaborators on Instagram post. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.